Welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Eric.Kaneshiro. This morning I'll be showing you the 2018 Torque fifth wheel toy hauler right here. The one unique thing about the Torque toy haulers, they're made by a company called Heartland. They're built in Indiana. It's a little more luxury type of toy hauler than what most people are used to. It's just not strictly made for toys, but it's made for comfort also inside when you see that. The first thing we notice is the front cap. Now this has a tight turning radius. This, for instance, if you have a short bed truck and making a tight turn, that's why this molded front cap is cut in right here. It's called a tight turn technology, so you don't crash the bed of your truck, the cab of your truck. So that's why they have this indentation right here, and that's why the cap's made like that. Coming through here, you notice you have a power awning, and it does have an LED strip that runs the length of the awnings for a nice light outside. That makes it really nice at night when you're sitting out here and you have the campfire going on and your chairs out there. You have lots of storage. So it's a pass-through storage. Like I said, this is an upper end toy hauler fifth wheel. If you notice, I don't have to put any clips on the doors or anything like that. There's a magnet that holds it up, and what you do is you have what's called slam latches. You don't have the little twisty things, so the door closes nice and tightly. If you notice on this side, this does have a slide out on this side, has also slide out on the other side. So these are dual slide outs, which gives you lots of living space inside. And it does have exterior speakers on the outside. Again, when you're outside, that's really nice. You can turn the speakers on, you can have some music out here while you're camping. Now, if you look inside, you notice there's lots of storage here. You have a big pantry area here. That'll give you lots of storage. And there's lots of counter space. Big sink and upgraded appliances and fixtures in here. That's why the Torque, like I said, is a higher, kind of an upper end fifth wheel. It's a lot more livable. Solid surface countertops, upgraded appliances, all stainless steel. Nice countertop here, and it's actually a desk area if you would like a desk area. Your TV's back here, a nice spot to watch your TV here. It does come on a swing arm, so it does pull out if you want to maneuver that in and out. It comes with your CD and DVD player that comes with it. The woodwork's exceptionally nice in these. Like I said, it's a little more like a residential fifth wheel that people might live in. That's the quality of this on the interior. This is a garage model, so you do have a sliding glass door where you can shut everything off back in your area where you might have your toys. This is an 11-foot bed, if you're interested, just so you know. So there's lots of room to put everything in here. You do have a back patio area here, so this will all fold down. You have your gates that'll fold around, and it also comes up with the steps. So these steps attach to the outside. So you have a step that you can get up to your patio area from the outside. You don't have to come through the fifth wheel to get to it. Now, if you notice, this has two beds here. You got the front bed and you have the bottom bed, which also turns into a table, to two couches and a dining area. Or you can use the two beds, so this will carry lots of people, sleep lots of people if that's what you're looking for. The ceiling is a little taller in here, so you can fit taller things in here if you have your side-by-sides and things, so they'll fit in here. This particular model right here has about 4,500 pound carrying capacity, so you should have plenty of weight carrying capacity to carry everything in that you want. Again, so if you look at it, this whole area right here with your refrigerator and your stove and everything, that all slides out on this side. And if you look across from it with the couch, this all slides out this way. So what it is you have opposing slide outs, which gives you lots of room in here. Your recliner, your couch is recliners on both ends. And they are, you have your little controls here. They are massage chairs also, which is kind of nice. Like I said, this is an upscale fifth wheel toy hauler. Now coming up here, which is really nice, you have a third slide out. This is another slide out right here. The idea for having a slide out here is so that you have more storage. So that is a nice closet or storage. You have dresser drawers in here, and they're all deep. And then you have another closet area back here. So the idea with the slide out in the bedroom, that provides you storage for all your clothes and everything else. Now the one thing that's come up that people like are on the sides of the bed, they have little nightstands to put things. People always want to put their phones, a glass of water or anything. So you have little nightstands on both sides of the bed for people. Now let's look into the bathroom area here. Now if you look in the bathroom, there's a nice shower and a small tub. And the reason why they put the small tub in it, because a lot of times when you bring the toy haulers, you might bring other family members that might have younger kids or things like that, or pets that you can shower them off and clean them up in. Right here, this is your thermostat. This controls your heat and your air conditioning unit. It's like a thermostat at home. You just turn on the air conditioner or the heat and just set the temperature and let it go. And these are all your controls. This right here is for your overhead vent. So the ceiling's really tall, so you can't reach your vent, so you can open or close it here and turn the fan on or off. You have your gen set here, so this does come with a generator. You can turn your generator in and off, on and off. This is for all your tanks. So you can monitor. This is your monitor, so you can see all your levels. Light switches, and these control all your slide outs right here. So as you notice, this does have 3 slide outs, and that's for your power awning. So everything's quick, available, and easy to access. You got your fuse panels down here, and this does come with a central vacuum system. That's what this is right here. Not a lot of carpeting in here, but you could use a vacuum cleaner once in a while. You have dual tanks for your propane, one on each side. They're both 7.5 gallons, so lots of capacity. And this is solar ready, so this is a solar plug-in right here. So if you want to use solar panels, just plug it in. Most people, they use the portable solar panels. They just stand outside to keep your batteries up. This does come with a 5.5 kW generator, so you have plenty of power. You can run the air conditioning unit, run your microwave, and everything on there, because a lot of times we'll be dry camping out there in our toy haulers. A couple other quick features here. This does have electric power jack, so your controls are right here. You do have lighting underneath here, so when you do park, if you're going to pull up at night, you can see everything what you're doing. Again, you have the nice front cap, so this will be good for a short box truck if that's what you have. This is a very well built toy hauler. If you're looking for quality and comfort, this is definitely the way to go. Again, my name is Eric.Kaneshiro, Guaranty RV. If you have any questions, please call me 541-912-4396. Thank you.